Good afternoon. My name is Maria Mayra Gomez Rodriguez. I going to talk about the main costume and cultural manners that are identified in the region I live. Well, in my region it has been customary to carry national, civil, and religion holiday out, such as July 2020, cry for independence, August 7, Battle of Boyacá, Women Days, Father Days, Women Days, Love and Friendships, Christmas, New Year's, among others. The woman is speciality. The world has a rider, messenger, taxi driver, cleaner, teacher, engineer, policeman, housewife, among others, to improve economic, emotional, and educational of support at home. In communication, it has been advisable to use the landing to communicate within the family, with all the adults. The cell phone has been used in the world and social field. We quickly send messengers, documents, photos, and videos via cell phone. Today use it to study, and it will be used whenever necessary at home. We use external and internal cameras, bring off the house up, and carry from the cell phone on. We can observe, and then to see what happens on the street, and inside when we are not there. Technology has been used in all space of our life, although it has been hacked. Thanks for your time. Bye.